What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zameer from EcstasyTunes. In this video we're gonna take a look at the Halion Symphonic Orchestra. Okay, this one right here. If this is your first time here, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notification, smash the like button, and share this video to everyone you know. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump right in. I'm so sorry about the background noise at the moment. Like, my neighbors, they're playing firecrackers. There's a celebration here in Malaysia. It's called Deepavali. It's for Indian festival. If you are from the north, you might know they call it Diwali. So please bear with the noise in the background. I'll try to make sure that I can reduce the noise during the editing. Alright, so one of the best thing about this particular sample library is that I can see all the layouts. I can see all the layout well. Okay, for instance, my articulations here, I can see all the legato, blah blah blah. And I can also mute these articulations. If I don't want a certain articulation, I can go ahead and mute them. Right, I can see the articulations in orange color here. So if I select this one, you can see that it's actually selecting those articulation, and I can see the range of the instruments playability. Right, so for instance, let's say horn is only from this range, so it's only going to give me this range. It's not going to give me the whole range, so I don't have to figure out whether am I playing within the range of the horns. Right, let me load some of the instrument here. So we have oh no, still the horn. I want to add something else. Okay, so now you can see that it's only giving me this amount of range here for this instrument, right? So I like that. Okay, another cool thing that I like, let me go back to horn. Another cool thing that I like about this library is that I have the option to have or choose whichever of expression controller that I can use with my modulation control on my keyboard. Right, for instance, if I don't want my modulation wheel to control the modulation, I can choose a different, maybe a expression. Right, so now whatever I'm controlling with my modulations here, it's controlling the expression or balance or panning, whatever it is. Right, I like that option. And so let's just check out how this library sounds right now. Okay, this is a combi. So I believe it's a it's a group of horn players playing. Okay, sounds cool actually. The legato is not as smooth. I mean, it's kind of smooth, but I don't think it sounds realistic like my other libraries that I have. But not bad for. Okay, let's try a different articulation. So I'm going to use the accent articulation now. Okay, let's try the legato now. Let's try the mini window. It sounds kind of dry right now. Okay, I like the staccato's articulation here. It's really nice. Okay, I have this octave button here. I'm not sure what it is. Let's just try. Okay. So now I can choose to have which octave that I want to play. Okay, that's interesting. I can set the polyphony amount here. That's cool. We have this level, pan, width, tag, and release. Is there a FX that I can add here? No. Okay, but I have the option to change the curve of the expression or modulations. That's really nice. Okay, let me just go ahead and add a little bit of reverb because I feel like it's kind of dry. So let's try now. Ah, that's nice. Guys, don't add that much of reverb. It sounds really good. So horn, it kind of passes the test. Let's try the horn tutti combi. Damn, that's nice. I love the attack of that horn, man. That's fire, and I'm gonna increase the rating here. I really like this patch. Now let's try some strings. Let's try this string solo pizzicato. Sounds really good. Let's go to higher register. Oh my god. Damn. It's really inspiring to play this instrument. I like that. Okay, this is where I like to save my ideas. I'm gonna be right back. That was fire, so I'm gonna go and try a different one now. Let's try a flute combi. Let me see if this is a legato patch. Yes, it is a legato patch. Sweet. Yes, I like that. Let me try a different instrument. How about a timpani? It's kind of cool. Okay, now here's the main instrument here. Let's try violin solo. Let's try a legato. Violins a legato soft. Okay. Try the one with portamento. Portamento an octave up. Why is it not working? No audio is coming. No audio. I'm not really sure why. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. Let's try these violins. It's not a legato. I don't think this is a legato. Nope, it's not a legato. Let's try a legato pat. Alright, so there are some really useful sound that we can use from Halion Symphonic Orchestra. I have to play more with this library so that I understand what each of this instrument can give. However, now if you ask me to rate this library, I would rate it 7 out of 10. I really like that horn sound, and some of these pizzicato strings is really nice. I might make a video about how to compose music with this just one library. I think I can do that. You know, let's put this into test. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna cut this video short, and that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys find some value in this video. If you guys did, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notification, smash the like button, and share this video to everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.